Deanne, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your question again. So we're trying to find this, the surface area of the composite of these two solids. One's a tetrahedron, and a tetrahedron is a shape that is kind of a pyramid. And what it is all the sides are equal, and all the faces are equal. So that means that this, and this. So it's made up of four regular triangles. And then the prism is going to be down below. It's a triangular prism. So if we look at this, we have this tetrahedron, and then this finishes the bottom of it. We don't need this bottom down here, but this is going to be the same as that. So what we need is the lateral area from the prism plus the four sides of the tetrahedron. We'll say that this is base times height divided by 2, because that's the area of a triangle, and we'll find this area of the triangle. And then the lateral area is just going to be perimeter of the base, which is the triangle, times the height. So our new formula for this surface area is going to be for pH plus 4, because there's 4 sides of the base, times height of the triangle, times 2. So I'm going to circle this in red and say that this is the triangle and this is the triangle. So if we look at the triangle right here, it's going to be an equilateral triangle, which means all the sides are 60, or 6, and all the angles are 60. And if we drop this down to find the height of it, it's going to be 3 rad 3. Rad 3 is going to equal the height that goes right here. All right? And we know the perimeter is going to be 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plug in each one of these things into this. So the surface area is going to equal, we added up the perimeter, 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18, times the height of the prism. Now if we look at the height of the prism, this right here, this is going to be the height, the area in between the two bases of the triangular prism. So this is going to be 8. 18 times 8 plus 4 base times height. We know the base is 6 and the height is 3 rad 3. So it's all those multiplied together divided by 2. And we can just cancel these out and times this by 2. So now we can plug this into our calculator. So 18 times 8 equals 144. Plus, so this is going to be 6 times 2 times 3 times the root of 3. That's going to be 36 rad 3. And then we're going to plug that into our calculator and add it all up and get our final surface area. Our final surface area is going to equal 206.4. And that's in units squared again. All right. Thank you for sending in your question, and we look forward to answering more of your questions. Have a good night.